Yes, today we will continue miscellaneous exercise of chapter 6. I hope all of you have done up to question number 6. Now see from question number 7 to 10. In question number 7, we have to solve the linear inequality and as well as we will represent the solution graphically on number line. On number line means we will represent the solution on real number line. So linear inequality is 5x plus 1 greater than minus 4 comma 5x minus 1 less than 24. So firstly separately we will solve these two linear inequalities. Note down these signs carefully. Here equal to sign is not given to you. Now in this case this plus 1 comes on this side, it becomes minus 1, minus 24 and minus 1 it becomes minus 25, and x is minus 25 by 5 means value of x is greater than minus 5. In this case this minus 1 comes on this side, it becomes 25, and x is less than 25 by 5 means 5. So value of x is greater than minus 5 and less than 5. If you combine these two results, then you will get value of x greater than minus 5 and less than 5. Equal to sign is not present here, that's why minus 5 and 5 are not included in its solution. So now we will represent this solution on number line. Let us suppose this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to plus infinity. On this side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and this is also up to minus infinity. Now we want to take solution of this linear inequality or values of x from minus 5. Minus 5 is not included, that's why we will not dark this circle. Up to we will take the value of x up to plus 5, less than 5 here. So 5 is also not included. Again this circle will be empty, hollow circle you will draw. So you will highlight the line from minus 5 to 5. So this highlighted portion is the solution of this linear inequality. If by chance equal to sign is given to you, in that case you will consider these 2 points also take in the solution. That's why you will dark these 2 points, you will dark these 2 circles. But now these 2 circles will be empty because equal to sign is missing. So this is the representation of the solution of this linear inequality on the number line. So this is question number 7. Now see question number 8. In question number 8, linear inequality is 2 into x minus 1 less than x plus 5 comma 3 into x plus 2 greater than 2 minus x. In this case also firstly we will separately solve these two inequalities. It becomes 2x minus 2, and here taking terms containing x variable together, this minus 2 comes on this side, it becomes plus 2, or you can say x is less than 7. From second linear inequality 3x plus 6, again taking terms containing x variable on one side, this plus 6 comes on this side, 4x is greater than minus 4, or you can say x is greater than minus 4 by 4 means minus 1. So combining these two you will get the values of x greater than minus 1 and less than 7. So here also you can represent this solution. Let us suppose this is minus 1, this is 7. 7 and minus 1 are not included, that's why you will draw empty circles and dark the portion between minus 1 to 7. So this is the solution of this on the number line. So this is question number 8. Now see question number 9. In question number 9, inequalities are 3x minus 7 greater than 2 into x minus 6, and second inequality is 6 minus x greater than 11 minus 2x. These are also very simple inequalities given to you. Firstly separately you will solve the linear inequalities. 3x minus 7 greater than 2x minus 12. This 3x minus 2x minus 7 comes on this side, it becomes plus 7. you will get value of x is greater than minus 12 plus 7 means minus 5. On this side 6 minus 11 minus x comes on this side, it becomes plus x. Here 6 minus 11 minus 5 greater than minus x, and if you are cancel minus sign with cancel, then inequality sign is changed. So combining these two results, value of x is greater than minus 5 and here also value of x is greater than 5. If x is greater than minus 5 and x is greater than 5, if you combine these two results, then you will take this value x is greater than 5, because those values which are greater than 5, these values are already greater than minus 5. So you will take this result here. This is the combined solution of these two results. Because if you are taking x greater than minus 5, suppose minus 4 is greater than minus 5, but this is not greater than plus 5. So you will take those values which are greater than 5 as well as greater than minus 5. So you will take these values x greater than 5, because in these two, this result is the combined solution of these two. And if you want to represent this on number line, so you can represent in this way. Greater than 5 means 5 is not included, you will empty this circle, and greater than 5 means up to infinity. So you will highlight this line from 5 to infinity. So this is the solution of a given inequality on the number line. Now question number 10. In question number 10, linear inequality is 5 into 2x minus 7 minus 3 into 2x plus 3 less than equals to 0, and second inequality is 2x plus 19 less than is equal to 6x plus 47. Firstly, separately we will simplify these two inequalities. Now 5 into 2x 10x minus 35 minus 6x minus 9 less than is equal to 0. 10x minus 6x 4x minus 35 and minus 9, it becomes minus 44, comes on this side, it becomes plus 44, and x is less than is equal to 44 by 4 means 11. Equal to sign is given to you in this case. Now see second, 2x, shift this 47 on this side, 19 minus 47, and 6x minus 2x, it becomes 4x, and 19 minus 47, it becomes minus 28, and when this 4 comes on this side, then minus 28 by 4, value of x is greater than equal to minus 4. X is greater than equal to minus 4 and less than equals to 11. So this is the solution. In this case, equal to sign is given to you. That's why you will highlight the, let us suppose this is plus 11 and this is minus 7. This is minus infinity, this is plus infinity. So in this case, you will dark this minus 7, this point 11, and all the points lies between minus 7 and 11. So this is the solution of this inequality on the number line. So this is question number 10. So in today's work you will do question number 7 to 10.